Hey guys, so this is the second coat. You have to wait for it to... Hey guys, we're here with ZonaBrush. We are painting a pool deck and we are using pool deck paint. That's what it's actually called. What we're doing here is that we are cutting first. We are doing all the cutting, and then after all the cutting, we will do the roll. Now we're here in Phoenix, Arizona, so it is about 104 degrees right now. It's 9 a.m. So we're trying to get this done as soon as possible, but obviously with care and dedication. We do come one day before to power wash, remove rock. That way when we come and apply the product, it is done. So here you guys go. This color is called concrete. It's called cement, and it gives this kind of light color. Now the benefits of having a light color in your pool deck is that it will reflect the sun and it will keep your deck cooler. So it's very important. The product is not expensive, and the labor here for something like this is not expensive. It's something, you want to enjoy your pool deck, you want to enjoy your pool in the summer. I would definitely add a coat of pool deck on any color that you like, and it would definitely help you on those summer days with your feet. Now this is a father and son crew, and there you go. Project is done. As you can see, 2 coats. We actually did a 3rd coat on this one. He is about to finish, and you can see how he did it crossway. That's the way to do it. He is done, all finished.